Think your ears are clear? This tiny surprise says otherwise. What looks like a piece of dried seaweed is actually dry earwax buildup. Many people don't notice it until a gentle ear care check reveals it. Using the right viewing tools can make ear care routines easier and more precise. The tools featured here are linked below if you're curious. Have fun and enjoy.